Okay, so I just basically broke into my mom's house because she just texted me and said that they're actually at the store right now. I think they're gonna be back any minute now, and my dad is not even home from work yet. So I had to go through the garage. I didn't really break in, but I have the house to myself. So I just brought the Blue Apron box in, but since I have the house to myself, this would be a perfect time for me to like set up something cute or something. I didn't think this through. What can I set up? I see there's a little bit of a mess in the kitchen area, so maybe I'll just clean that up for them and then like set the table. I'm just trying to be a good daughter, okay? I think I'm just gonna set them up in these two chairs. This is the chair that my dad always sits in. This is his chair. Nobody else can sit in this chair. Ever since I was born, he always sat at the head of the table like this. So this is my dad's chair, and this is usually the chair that my mom sits in anyway. So I'm gonna set it up like that. A candle or something would be nice. Let me just take their pre-existing candle. Cute. My mom will be home with Ziya back from the store any minute now. My dad won't be home until, actually he'll be home in about 30 minutes I think from work. So I brought my Raven's Ratchet Kitchen apron. It's Chef Raven's restaurant tonight. Wow, I'm like doubled up. I got the shambles shirts with the Raven's Kitchen thing on top. Yes, branding. We love a branded queen. Yes, we're getting real serious. This is not a game. Welcome to Raven's Ratchet Restaurant, yes. All right, so y'all know here at Raven's Ratchet Restaurant, we don't have the best cooking skills or a lot of cooking experience, so that's why we have Blue Apron here to help us today so I can still make a really nice dinner for my parents. If you guys don't know, Blue Apron, like I said earlier, is a meal delivery service. They put all the ingredients in the exact amounts that you need so you don't waste any food, and they give you the recipes and give you step-by-step instructions on how to cook the food. And it's farm fresh ingredients. Everything is healthy, really nice stuff. You can get a 2-person plan or you can get a family plan. I actually have the 2-person plan, so it's gonna be perfect to make dinner for my parents. And you guys know I have the hookup for you, so if you guys sign up with the link down below, the first 50 people to sign up with the link down below will get $50 off their first 2 weeks of Blue Apron. She's back. Where's my child? Oh, you're sleeping. You got no pants on?
Got a dress on.
Oh. I set the table for your Raven's Ratchet Restaurant experience tonight.
Oh, wonderful. I told Mom Nasty, so what are you cooking tonight? I said, Raven is cooking dinner for us. And I'm so excited.
Are you excited or scared?
Girl, you know how to cook.
But yeah, like I was saying, first 50 people will get $50 off their first 2 weeks of Blue Apron. You guys know I always have the hookup for you guys, so definitely check out that link down below. Now, let's go ahead and open this box and see what the meal options are. All right, so with my box, you get 3 different recipes. So here are the 3 different recipe cards. So this is what Raven's restaurant is serving tonight. Well, I'm gonna be serving one of these things. I am making all 3 of these things. So I guess I should go ahead and let my mom choose, but just to show you the options, we have orange beef. That looks good, oh my gosh. Zesty shrimp fettuccine and pork chorizo tacos, oh my gosh. Your menu, ma'am. You must, you know, choose your entree from the menu.
Okay, orange beef, I love that.
That's one that I said I thought looked good, but I thought you would pick one of these 2. Ziya, I see you back there. What are you doing?
Shrimp. Let's see, what do we have last night?
And you're choosing for daddy as well, so what does he want since he's not here?
Do the beef.
Okay. We're doing the orange beef. So this is what we're making. It says it takes 25 to 35 minutes to make and it serves 2. So that's perfect. All right, so here is all the ingredients that I got in the box. I'm just gonna go through and separate out what I need for this orange beef recipe and get to work. I am making progress with prepping my vegetables. We got bok choy, scallions, the other part of the scallions. We've got some orange juice, my little chopped up garlic, I am heating up a pot to start making the rice right now. And look who it is. Are you gonna help me cook? Yeah, you wanna help? Yo, Papa, come back.
Papa, come back. Papa finished work. You come back? Did you go to the store and grab me? What you got? You got some Kool-Aid?
So it says to make the sauce, you're supposed to add as much of the sambal olilik. The what? This. Add as much as you want depending on how spicy you want it to be. So guess how spicy do you want your meal to be?
Spicy, spicy.
So you want me to put all of it in there? It's not really that much. Yeah. To the bowl of orange juice, add the chopped garlic, did that. Add the vinegar, did that. Add the soy glaze. This makes it so much easier so you don't have to measure it, you just pour it in. And as much as this is the spicy stuff, and my mom said she wanted spicy, so we poured the whole thing in there. Don't blame me if it's too spicy. You asked for this. Uh-oh. No, Ziya has the keys in there.
Who's me?
Ziya just grabbed my dad's keys and hit the alarm. Get the keys from the baby. My hand's covered in meat juice. This is a double challenge because I don't quite know where everything is in this kitchen. But I think, is this big enough? This should be big enough, right? Olive oil. Meanwhile, my mom is over here sipping her wine.
Watching the Braxtons, having a good old time. Yes.
What? This pose.
It's smelling good and I'm showing hungry.
Well, it's actually almost done, I think. This pan might be a little small, but we're gonna make it work. All right, so far I'm feeling confident. I got the rice going, I got the beef cooking. After that, you kind of just combine everything with the sauce, so I think I'm doing good. I kind of burned a little bit of the rice because when I put this stuff in there, I couldn't find the measuring cup, so I left it on there too long, so it's like a little bit burnt, but I think it should be fine. Almost done.
Oh, wow.
Okay, all done. This is what the picture looks like. This is what mine looks like. Da-da-da. Number 1 and number 2. Restaurant guests, would you like to take your seats?
Oh,
Your dinner is served. Your table is ready.
oh, look. Very nice.
I see you already have your drink.
I do, thank you.
Sir, would you like a drink?
I'll get a beer, I guess.
What? You had poop in your diaper? No, you didn't. No, you didn't. It's a little wet, but I don't think there's poop in there.
You need to change it?
You want us to change your diaper right when we trying to have our restaurant? Okay. Can I just get them to do a taste test first, then I change your diaper? Okay. Today on the menu, we are serving orange beef with bok choy and scallion rice. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Okay.
Not spicy.
It's not spicy? I poured the whole thing in there, so I guess it really wasn't that spicy.
Very good, chef.
Good?
Mongolian restaurant.
Pardon me, madam, while I light your candle. Now I can't grab it, you have to do it.
Or
Wait, please sit down, madam. Please sit down. Ziya's making the background noise. Background music. So apparently it was good because you're over here scraping the plate and asking if there's any more. It was only 2 servings.
It was good.
So y'all ate the whole 2 servings. Daddy scraped his plate as well.
What's for dessert?
Oh, for dessert, we are serving some gourmet Nutri-Grain bars. Wild blueberry, farm raised.
Oh.
So help yourself to that.
Where are you going? Are you leaving?
We have to go home.
No? Where are you going? Where are we going?
Your shoes are already in the car. I already got them. Your shoes are in the car. Let's go. Let's go get in your seat.
Thanks for dinner. Thanks. I appreciate it. I like to make reservations.
Nope. You're welcome. All right, guys, so I'm home now from my parents' house. We're winding down for the night. Ziya has her milk in a cup. All relaxed over here. Had bath time and everything. I'm about to take a shower and get ready for bed as well. Yeah, I was actually pretty happy. My parents really liked the meal that I cooked for them. My mom was trying to get me to come back and cook for them again. I was like, don't get too crazy. So for the comment of the day for this vlog, I want to know, what is the nicest thing you've ever done for your parents? Comment that down below. Even if it's small, big or small, comment down below. Share with us. And we are about to go to bed, so I'm going to end this vlog here, and we will see you guys in the next one. This is a really cute angle. Say bye.